What is up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my home, my new home. So before we get into this apartment tour, I just want to give you a quick disclaimer. This isn't like my fully furnished apartment. This is kind of just like a basic apartment tour to give you a gist of what everything looks like and the vibe. But within like the next month or two, this apartment is going to look completely different. And I of course am going to, if you guys are into it, bring you along kind of like my apartment decorating process. Leave a comment leave a like and a comment below if you guys are interested in that type of thing. What else did I want to say before we got into, a lot of the stuff that you see, because I've only been in here for a few days, so like A, I haven't really unpacked fully, and B, a lot of the things are obviously from my old apartment, but I didn't enjoy my old apartment, which is why I never did an apartment tour, so I never really fully furnished it. So that's why like it's kind of half done. But yeah, so with all that said, let's take a tour of my apartment. So this is the front door. When you walk in, there's just some light switches and whatever, regular front door. I gotta, trust me, like I said, this apartment is gonna look so different. But so when you walk in and you go to the left, there's like this little hallway area. And then it's just like a little closet. I have like travel stuff and like little games in there. And then this, I guess, is like the little laundry area, dirty clothes. And then this is like a mess. But this is a washer and dryer. It's super tiny, but the maintenance man said that next month they'll bring us bigger ones in, so that's good. That's the laundry closet. And then back here is the guest bathroom. We got some storage all the way down, storage in here. And then just, you know, sink. This bathroom is pretty much done. Everything that's in here was everything that was in my old master bathroom in my other apartment. The only thing that I want to add in here is probably, I think I might want to switch this amethyst out for rose quartz because everything in here is pink, so it only makes sense. And then in this area right here, it's just like a little empty, so I think I want to get like a plant or like a vase, like just something for this area. And then, I don't know, do you think putting a picture here would be too much? No? I don't know, we'll see. But yes, this is the downstairs guest bathroom. And then if you follow me into here, directly to the left is the kitchen. And we have this huge island, which I think is just, it's so cool because it looks modern. And I really like the modern look. And then there's like tons of storage in here. We have cupboard, drawers, cupboard. And then we have the stove right here. And then we have more storage right here. We have cupboards, cupboards. Boom, the fridge. We have the microwave, stove, and there's another drawer down here. And then storage, cupboards, like just, there's tons of storage in here and it's amazing. The only thing I don't like is that everything is really high and I'm really short, but that's okay. I'm gonna need like a stool or something, I don't know. But, and then we have the sink, little decor things. Everything in here is pretty much done because I like my kitchen to be clean, clutter-free. So I think the only thing that I'm gonna add in here, since like I already have a little bit of decor, I'm probably just gonna add some floor mats for in here. And then, what else? Oh, on this wall right here, I wanna put something like maybe a cloth or something. I'm not sure, but, and then there's also, do you know what this is called?
No, I don't.
You know, but I don't know what.
Forgot. I know what it's called, but I'm having a brain fart right now.
Yeah, but yeah, I really like this thing because it also like adds the whole modern look. And then my bar stools, I think I might just get another one just to add 3. Or I might just get new bar stools. I don't know how I feel about that. But in this area right here, this is gonna be like the dining room. I wanna get like a big round table with all wall art, maybe a little chandelier at the top. Right now, this is Nala's area because there's not a table yet. So yeah, and then to the right of the dining room, we have the living room with the couch, the sofa. I might keep this sofa. It needs to be cleaned because it's been through a lot, but it was a really expensive sofa. This was the first sofa that I ever bought myself for my own place. So I kind of have a little bit of attachment to it, but I don't know, we'll see what I end up doing with it. And then my favorite part, these huge windows, which are just so beautiful and amazing for natural lighting, which was one of my biggest, the biggest things that was important to me when I got an apartment, because my last apartment, which like I said, I hated it, there was no lighting whatsoever. I felt like I lived in a dungeon. So for this next apartment, I was like, I gotta have good lighting. That was like top priority for me. But yeah, and then it's really cool because there's like automatic shutters, so the shutters go down and it's just a really good time. But this wall right here is so freaking large. I'm gonna get like huge wall art to go up there. And then in the Christmas time, during Christmas time, I wanna get like a huge Christmas tree, like the tallest Christmas tree I can get, because like, why not? And I love Christmas, so it's gonna be a lot of fun. I can't wait for that. This is Nala's space. Do you wanna say what up to my YouTube, Nala? You haven't been on here in a minute. But yeah, so if you follow me over here, this is the downstairs patio. The doors are kind of heavy. So wait, you're gonna have to go on this side first. Okay, so we'll just go. Do you wanna go out first? So this patio leads from the living room to the master bedroom. And there's literally nothing in here because, everything that was in my old master in my other apartment, I like it. I like it, but I kind of outgrew it. It's cute, but it's not really my style anymore. So in this bedroom, I want to get everything new, completely new headboard, just like everything. But this kind of has the floor to ceiling, not totally. It didn't really reach the ceiling all the way. This doesn't, wait, it's on this side. Hold on, Nala, I'm filming. This doesn't have the automatic, but you know. Okay, so this is the master bathroom, which I think is one of my favorite parts of this apartment. You can see the bathroom, I mean not the bathroom, you can see the bathtub and the shower area from this glass. Would this be a window? I don't even know. This glass area looking in from the master bedroom. So, if you follow me, master bathroom. We have the his and her sinks, lots of storage for this side, which is already completely filled. Middle storage, and then the right side storage. And then in here is, this bathroom just looks so like modern and aesthetically pleasing and like spa-like. Like for my decor in here, it's gonna be very earthy, fresh, natural. Yeah, it's gonna be fun. But we got the shower. It has like little cubbies and then like a seat in here. And then we have the bathtub with the pull-out thing, which I love because, you know, as curl girls, when we gotta like wash our deep conditioner out or like we wanna wash our hair, we already took a shower, you just, perfection. So over here, we have the toilet area, which, I don't know, do you think we should put like wall art in there?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, so it's not just like bare and plain. Yeah, so that's that. This big old door. Comes with little robe hooks, which is really cool because before I was just using like a thumbtack and it would always break, so that's cool. And then we got the closet in here, which is a mess. It's a mess, but this is a closet. It's pretty big, and then there's like more space on this side, which is pretty cool. So that is the master. So now we go upstairs, and I really love these stairs because like it has this like wire look. And I don't know, everything just looks so like modern. I love it. It's dope. So yeah, let's go upstairs. Okay, so up here is the loft area, and to be honest with you, I have no idea what I'm gonna do up here. I definitely want this place to be like an area that I can film in, but also like an area that I can relax in and just like zen out. I love to read books, so I'm probably gonna turn this into a bookshelf. I don't know, but I like it because you can like overlook the loft area from here. And yeah, it's just a good time, and it's a real big space. I really don't know what's gonna go on up here, but let's go over here. This is just a second entry door to come in, which I think is pretty cool because if we have like really heavy furniture, we don't have to worry about like bringing it up the stairs. We can just bring it up through this door. Or if I have like guests or something and they're coming in late night, they can just come in through here instead of doing all that extra stuff. So over here is just like a bunch of my filming stuff, like backdrops and tripods and just like a mess. But this is the upstairs guest bathroom. And then we of course have the same storage that's in all the other bathrooms. This bathroom, I'm definitely gonna continue this like blue turquoise-ish theme. But yeah, I got a lot to do in this bathroom. This bathroom is not even, I need a lot. But I actually did just get a whole bunch of decor for this bathroom. So the only thing I really need is like some extra towels, but I'm gonna be doing a decor video very soon, probably tomorrow. So I'll show you guys everything that I got for in here. But yeah, that's it for the upstairs guest bathroom. And here is going to be an office. There's not a light in here, so you just got a flashlight. I don't even know, can you see me? This is just going to be an office. Yeah, we got the same deal with the shutters. And then we got the upstairs patio out here, which is very, very, very large. As you can see, we have this whole side, and then we have that whole side over there. Enter through the guest bedroom on this side. And this is my old bed that I was telling you guys about. So in here, I already have a rug that I'm gonna place down in here. The only thing I really need to get in here, I have a matching light, but it's downstairs in the master. I don't know if you guys seen that. But I just need to get like a comforter, a real like good comforter, some more decorative pillows, probably, well no, not probably, for sure 2 nightstands, and then just like, you know, some wall art, wall decor. This bedroom has a pretty good sized walk-in closet. There's a bunch of junk in here though. I have to donate all that stuff, and then that's just like my holiday box with like ornaments and like fall decor and all that good stuff. All that good stuff. So yeah, I think we pretty much covered everything in this video. Yeah, that's it. That is it for my apartment tour, guys. Keep a lookout for my decor videos. If you guys are interested in that, definitely let me know. Nala's going crazy. Yeah, that's it. I'm about to head to the gym. It's leg day and I'm recording it, so anyone who's interested in fitness, definitely keep a lookout for that, and follow my Instagram page, Sayriaajade Fitness. Little shameless plug there. And yeah, that is it for this video. I love you guys, and I'll see you next time.